Haystack Rock, Portland, Oregon, Cannon Beach. This is the most famous rock out here. This is the rock, the big rock which is protruding out of the sea here in Portland, Oregon. It's a very nice and clean beach. A lot of people out here today because it's really hot. It's 6:30 and you can see the sun. Cannon Beach. It's low tide today, so people can access the rock here, which is called Haystack Rock. It's a very huge rock protruding out of the sea here in Portland, Oregon. And there's a big rock out there. Let me try to zoom there. It's called there's a lighthouse which they have built over there. We were earlier at the Ecola State Park viewpoint where we can see it more up closer, but it's still very far away. It's up a mile away from the Oregon coast. The sea is getting angry now. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Cannon Beach area in Portland, Oregon. Really nice and clean beach here. Lots of hotels and lots of houses facing the beach. And this is the big rock here, Haystack Rock. It's really hot out today, just after 4th of July. Mussels are also here at the Haystack Rock.
Let's go over here.
Sea urchins. More sea urchins right here at the more sea urchins. Amazing sea urchins at the Haystack Rock. It's low tide, so we could go up close and see them.
Well, Henry does the same situation. It's like you get a good time, like when you're showing up, everything's just like,